Hi guys, good morning. Clearly, like right now, I do not have a good enough background to, film for my long format videos. Actually, after two months, 2 months, 4 months, I do not have any kind of long format videos because clearly I don't have a background to film that. But I'm trying to figure out something like to film the videos. None other the less today is my birthday 18th November, and I am feeling super happy, super pumped. I never wake up this time in the morning. Like the weather is so nice, it's not foggy, somewhat chilly. So in today's video I'm going to be filming my first get ready with me for the day. I'm super pumped, super excited. I will be going to the first thing I do during my birthday is to go to the mandir and get puja done, take wishes from Kalima. Last time I went to Dakshineshwar. This time I'll go to a very famous place. You will get to know where at the end of the video. Please stay tuned for that. But chalo, let's get ready. And if you're new to this channel, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe. Without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. How are you guys? How you are? Like, okay, now I'm filming with my mic. Can you guys say any kind of difference like the mic has to offer right now? Like, I think the mic I have bought is like pretty good at this moment. Okay, before doing any makeup, I am going to prep my skin first. Like skincare comes first in every routine. So I will be taking the Wonder Toner, Ceramide Mochi Toner, and this toner is very good. Even if you have oily skin, this toner during the winters, I think is like a big yay from my side. It's pretty good. Like it gives you that an illusion of glass Korean skin, which I absolutely love. And my skin, although it's oily during the summers, it becomes very dry during this time of this year. So this is what I use, and you can see how much I have used. Okay, I will be using काफी सारे new products in this video. Like I have used this like to check it out. This is not the first time I will be using, but this is the first time on camera I will be using this product. So this, like after using this toner, I do not feel like using anything else. Now I will be using the moisturizer. This is Recoat Ka water cream. This is nothing new. Like I have used this I think multiple times at this moment. Whatever makeup I will be using like today is very skin like, and you can carry it everywhere. Like even if you are going to your office, any formal events, or if you don't like doing your makeup like makeup, so you can use these products on your everyday basis. Because I have oily and acne prone skin, and you can see my skin is skinning. Even I have like got my period date coming near, so I don't see any kind of bumps right now, so it's okay. Okay, like now for a dewy glow, I will be using this Dot and Key stroke cream. Like I think this is khatam only. Like this is so good, and it has such a good smell. I just love this. You can see the glow. See the shine on my face. Like this is natural. I just love it. Always remember, do not go overboard with applying stroke cream. Like if you're only applying stroke cream, then it's okay, but do not go overboard with it. can see the guys, can you see the shine on my face right now? Ooh. Okay, now I'm using the Hyphen Peptide Lip Balm. Now for my base and for that even out skin tone, I will be using the Blue Heaven Hydrating Skin Tint. Like this is so good. Like it won't give you coverage. Like it won't like hide all my dark spots. You know I have here, but it gives you such a nice dewy natural finish. Like you have seen this Smashbox skin tint, like the coverage the tint gives, this is the same thing, like same thing, but it will cost you like this is only for 125. I don't think spending so much money on some product like that is not worth it. Like I will be spending 3000, 4000 or 2500 on some product and I will get the same exact dupe in like 100 like 200 to 400. I don't see the need for spending such money on high-end brands when you have like dupes like Blue Heaven, Mars, Swiss Beauty. They are coming, they are dropping products like bomb. So I love this product, you know, very much. You can see by yourself right now why I'm raving about it. Okay, I will be taking 2 pumps, you can see, and I will be blending it out with my hands only. You might think this is not a shade match, but after blending and like giving it some time, it will settle down. Okay, I've blended it out with my hand and you can see the coverage. It's a tint, do not expect anything like foundation it will do, but this is pretty damn good. Now, this is the new blush that I'm obsessed with. This is from Swiss Beauty. Again, I'm saying you like Swiss Beauty, Blue Heaven, Mars. They are, you know, dropping products like crazy, and the products are also bomb. Like I will be using my beauty blender right now to blend this. You can see the blendability. Look how smoothly it blends. Like why will I spend my money on, you know, rare beauty blushes when I have Swiss Beauty? है ना? कोई point नहीं बनता है इसका, इस चीज का. Like Swiss Beauty will give you exactly same kind of finish as rare beauty. So why will I spend that much money? You know, I don't see the need of like overspending on some products that you can get. You can already a dupe is available. See, this is what no makeup looks like. I to love it. I will be taking a puff and, you know, lightly setting my base, like, you know, very lightly, like only like under the eyes. I'm constantly seeing the time that I should not be late catching the train, as I will be out for a little bit, so I'm using the Rene का काजल. अब खरीद लिया है तो क्या करना है, यूज तो करना है ना इसका. Doing my brows. Like I will be filling my brows very, you know, lightly. Like I am almost done with my makeup. Just I'll apply a lipstick. I think this is the lip liner, Mars lip liner in the shade Scandalous Brown. Okay, now I'm taking the Faye Beauty lipstick in the shade. What is the shade? कुछ होगा इसका shade. Safe word. Okay, I remember. Okay, my makeup is done right now. I won't be like wearing anything else. Like this is it. Like अगर कोई आके बोले कि पूजा करना है, पूजा करने जाओगी तो भी मेकअप लगा के जाओगी, लाइक श्रद्धा मन में होना चाहिए, मुंह में मेरा श्रद्धा नहीं है. ओके, सो आई फील कॉन्फिडेंट व्हाइल आई गो आउट. सो दिस मच मेकअप you every girl can wear. There is no one to judge you. Like okay, like I am done doing my makeup. Now let's put on the sari and you will see my final look. Okay guys, this is the final look. This is the sari I'm wearing. All the products that I've used in this video will be linked in the description box down below, so please don't forget to check that out. And if you have come to this far, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.